Well, what can I say? Pre-owned ABI Ingleton. For sale on plot, second hand, pre-owned, pre-loved, whatever you want to call it, for sale on plot, overlooking the bowling green and the first tee of the golf course. Always good for a show while you're having a cup of tea in the morning. At Pearl Lake Country Holiday Park. Quick tour, as I say, for sale on plot. Front decking and side decking is included. It's the bowling green there. Lakeside bar, restaurant on the right hand side. The marquee is for our event this weekend. Front and side decking is included. It's a private sale, so there will be, well, there is lots of things that belong to the current owners. You'll see those as we walk around. Open plan living area, as you can see. Kitchen, for the things you can't see, has a dishwasher. Somebody didn't do the washing up. And a washing machine. Fantastic 4-burner gas hob, gas oven, dining for 4. This is great. Little side entrance, somewhere to sit. I might have been sitting there while I've been taking photographs. And let's do this bit properly. That view's great all of the time. Little breakfast bar there. Do like a chat over breakfast. Rear of the holiday home has really subtle decorations in this as well. It's nice. Twin bedroom for your guests, directly opposite. Ooh, I'm not going to get myself in the mirror. Directly opposite the main shower room and toilet. So that becomes theirs exclusively when you have guests, because you have in the main bedroom lots of storage space. You have your own ensuite shower room. What a cracking holiday home. Let's say the shower room just before I leave here. There we go. So, pre-owned ABI Ingleton at Pearl Lake Country Holiday Park. I know this is lovely, but the park needs to suit you. So come and say hello, have a cup of tea, have a ride out to Herefordshire. You won't regret it. It will be really nice. We'd love to see you soon. Thanks very much. Bye.